Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a really cool and different way of doing halftones in Adobe Illustrator. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, we're going to start off by grabbing our ellipse tool and making a circle over here. Hold down the Alt or Option key and duplicate it. And make this second circle really small. Kind of like this. You're then going to select both circles, go to Object, Blend, Make, then double click on the Blend tool over here to open up the blend options. Select specified steps and reduce them till the circles aren't touching anymore. So something like this is fine. Now we're going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform. And we're going to move horizontally and add a bunch of copies. I'm going to add a lot. And press OK. What you want to do next is go to Object, Transform, Rotate. And we're going to rotate about 30 degrees to get this cool slanted effect. We can place this on the side right now. And we can write our text. Right, we have our text. We are going to select our halftone. We're going to go to Expand Appearance. And we can change the color to whatever color you want. I'm going to make it black. You're then going to resize it to make it fit your text properly. So you're gonna get lots of little circle details. That's why we made that many copies at the beginning. So you get a more detailed effect. We're gonna scale it down a little bit more. Right, then you're going to select both your halftone and your text. You're going to go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make. And there you go. It's that easy. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.